Welcome dear friends. Mostly we see curved text on page or round text on the logos of some video channels or any XYZ. So today we will do the same in PowerPoint. It's very easy and unique. You can make it in presentation PowerPoint, and the same could be also brought to MS Word through copy paste. So how we will make a curved text? Let's see to the screen. Now we are on the screen, and let's write jqkhan curved text by jqkhan Tech. We have selected the text, and now we will go to format and text effect, transform, and then in transform a large number of options are available. So we will select a curved first one, and then we will also select a round one. Now we have selected this. Let's change the color. We can change the color, we can change the size, we can do almost every change to this. Let's make it bold, and please note the yellow spot. This is very important. It will change the angle of your text, or you can make it more round, or you can make it reverse. So let's drag it, make it a little better, and now go to format shape and change the text type. You can also add any XYZ. Now let me add little space, so we are having now double line. Let's see and add star like something if you would like to add. So we are just adding this for beautification. You can add whatever you like, or you can delete. So let's delete the space, and now you can see that we have a unique combination of text. Let's change the color of jqkhan text, and you can also change a lot of. Now we will change shape height and shape width. Most of the time people always keep it equal, or you can make it change in accordance to your need. You can also feed through your keyboard, or you can also do changes to the mouse. So let's have a blue, and you can see that the beautiful curved text is in your front. Now let's go and change it to round. jqkhan Tech is written again, and this is for logo of your video. If you would like to make, again transform, select the round shape. You are watching that I have selected the round one, and now we will make it a little bigger. We can do a lot of changes as we did it to the previous one. So let's increase or decrease the font. You may also change different colors to your different alphabets. So now we are changing the color of the fonts. JQ is red, and now we will change the color of the Khan as well as Tech. Now we have make it beautiful. You can also make simulation like round circling. Let's format and change the width or height manually or autoly. You can change it with your mouse, or you can also manually drag it. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please thumb up and subscribe.